Okay, boys and girls, so we're going to work on adjectives and nouns. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. And remember, adjectives are words that describe the noun. So, what I'm going to have you do is to get a dry erase board or a marker, and we're going to do a couple of these together. Then I'm going to have you do them, the rest of them on your own to show me. So it says to circle the adjectives and underline the nouns they describe. So I would like you to, for number one, I would like you to write the sentence. She is wearing a red skirt. Then after, when you write the sentence, I would like you to circle the adjective and underline the noun. So let's think about this. Let's do this together. I always like to find my nouns first. That way it makes it easier for me to find my adjectives next. So my nouns that I'm going to circle are she, because that's our pronoun, and skirt. Now I see a word that is in front of skirt, and it looks like it's describing the skirt. She is wearing a red skirt. So yes, so red I would circle because red is an adjective and it's describing the skirt that the girl is wearing. So let's go over that one again. So she and skirt should have been circled. No, not circled, underlined, because we're underlining the nouns. And then we should have circled the word red. Now go ahead and write number two. John pulled on the long rope. So, and if I'm moving too fast, it's okay to stop the video. Just because if I can't see how fast you guys are working, and so I don't know, it's hard for me to know when to go and when to stop. So in that sentence, John pulled on the long rope. I want you to circle, not circle, I did it again, underline your nouns. So what did you underline? Yep, you should have underlined John, and you should have underlined rope, because rope is a thing. Now, what did you circle for your adjective? I see a word that is describing the rope. So what word should we circle? Yes, we should circle the word long, because that's an adjective. It's describing how long the rope is. Okay, number three, go ahead and write the sentence. The drink was fizzy. Hopefully when you're writing the sentences, you're still trying to do your best writing. Meatball spaces, capital letter, period at the end. Hopefully it looks the same as the sentence I'm showing you. Okay, so what would be our noun? Yes, it would be drink, so underline drink. And then what would be the adjective? Excuse me. Sorry about that, guys. Fizzy would be your adjective. So that word would be circled. So drink would be underlined and fizzy would be circled because that's your adjective. Okay, let's go ahead and do number four. The sky was blue. Okay, so what is your noun? Yep, you should have underlined sky. And then what is your adjective? What word is describing the sky? And yes, blue should be underlined because that's your adjective. Okay, number five, go ahead and write that sentence. Ava saw a small yellow bird. So what would be our nouns? Go ahead and underline them. Yes, Ava and bird would be our nouns. And what would be our adjectives? Go ahead and circle those words. Yes, it would be small and it would be yellow. Those would be two adjectives that are describing the bird. Okay, let's go ahead and do number 6. The bus is yellow. What would be our noun? Yep, so we should underline bus. And what is our adjective? Yellow would be our adjective because that's describing the bus. So yellow should be circled and bus should be underlined. Okay, why don't you guys go ahead and do number 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you can do the last part. Write a sentence, circle the adjectives, and underline the noun. So you could make up your own sentence just similar to what was done above. And then you can circle the adjectives and underline the nouns in your new sentence. So go ahead and do number 7, 8, 9, 10, and this last section. And then go ahead and send that to me via email or Seesaw. And then when you're done with this, then you do have one more assignment that's on the choice board. It is one of our grammar assignments that you just need to complete, and then you're done. So it should just be a quick grammar assignment that you do on your own, and you can send that to me as well. Okay, if you need help with anything, just let me know.